Hey guys, welcome back to my third video today. That's a lot of videos. Well, let's go ahead. That's a little teaser. So we are going to be covering a massive storm here. Massive storm that is going to be hitting here and could be dropping over 15 feet in this area, in the mountainous areas. So we can see the storm here going on to the California coast, and we can see a lot of cold air back here, some snow. And let's go ahead and move it out until it really hits. So we can see here the storm moves ashore. We can see a big line of terrain and cold snow here, but mainly to terrain. The heaviest snow is going to be down here. As we can see, the storm gets very heavy here, very heavy snow. And here, very heavy snow, really big storm hitting the coast. We can see it's 540 line, all this cold air back here. And as it moves ashore, it keeps on dropping very heavy snow. And it keeps on moving ashore, that 540 line dipping, mainly because this is mountainous areas. It is very heavy snow. Now, as we move it out 2 more frames, the snow still continues here. It starts to get more widespread, and the low pressure weakens as it goes over the land. Now, to move it out 2 more frames, and the snow is still there, getting more south though. And we can see another storm developing here, going along the coast. You can see a good bit of snow here still for that area. And then 2 frames out, it moves away and a high pressure starts to develop. Now, let's see GFS model's prediction for this area. We can see here 78 inches right here. This is the prime zone right here, 78 inches, which is around 15 feet, which is crazy. Now, there will be widespread higher snow amounts, like in the 20s here and in the teens, but some areas, there's little areas that get a little bit less, but it is widespread through here, and the mountainous areas are getting over 15 feet of snow in some isolated areas. Now, if you go to ECMWF high-res, this is the latest. So if we go back to 12 hours, we can see here the snowstorm from hits here, and California, it hasn't been hit yet. If we move it out 2 frames, we can see they start to get hit and become snow. And if we move it out 2 frames, still heavy snow there continuing. And 2 more frames, heavy snow still continuing over the mountainous areas. Humongous storm here causing big snow for a pretty widespread area here. Let's move on, and very heavy snow now, extremely, like nearly off the charts snow heavy. We can see even purple is getting into there. And we move it out 2 more frames, so when the storm starts to move out, and we can see still very heavy snow, even some purples, but it's starting to turn into freezing rain and ice, and it starts to move out as we go on here. It's moved out, and high pressure develops and stays pretty quiet. Let's see the total accumulated. So this isn't going to be the exact amount. This is going to be like rain totals. Rain totals is 7-8 inches here, which is 15 feet of snow because of how fluffy it gets. But yeah, 7 to 8 inches isolated, a foot maybe. And NAM 3 kilometer here, 80 inches of snow, which is 15 feet, which is just insane amounts. Actually, we have a 90 inches of snow in 60 hours. That is pretty far. 16. It's almost 16 feet of snow, which is just beyond 16 feet. So a door frame is around 7 feet. So if you're living on one of these valleys here, say there's a valley here, right here, valley, 47 inches, which is much less, but that is half of 16 feet, so that is around 7 feet of snow. It could cover your door. So, just perspective. Imagine opening your door, it's just a wall of snow. Just picture that. Very insane. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. And have a great night, day, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Have a great time, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I forgot to include in some satellite imagery. So let's go and slide the slider back. We can see the storm right now over here, and it'll be moving over here towards the coast. You can see nice cold air, which are these kind of pop clouds that pop up, signifying cold air. We can see these collapsed thunderstorms, these lines over here. Those are collapsed thunderstorms, and we can see a nice stream over here as we play it over here. We can see that those kind of poppy clouds over here, and they're moving in like that, and there's a nice stream over here. Cold air, which is coming behind this cold front, and it'll be going into California. And let's go and play it just a tiny bit more. And there's the night. So that's really it for the visibility of the snowstorm as it moves into the California state. And sorry I forgot to include that, my fault, but I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the real time, trust me.